Hi all, and welcome to my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my videos, to leave comments, to put likes or dislikes. Today I really wanted to do this video for you because I was looking through my channel yesterday and I noticed that it has been 6 months since I started the Blowout Professor's routine. And I thought, well, maybe it's time for me to share the results and what I think of it. So how it all started is I came across his channel in about August, and at that time I was actually using this Redken system. I was having the whole system, and I think Abby Young was the one who I watched, and she really inspired me to buy this whole system. And to be honest with you, I've used Olaplex number 3 as well as Olaplex, also almost the whole system, shampoo, conditioner number 3, and I have number 6, and I have the oil as well. And I did like how Olaplex made my hair feel the first day, but second day my hair would get really oily. So I thought, okay, maybe I'll try this Redken because I do have hair that is colored, it's quite fragile, and I decided to give it a try. So honestly, this system, I think this is the only product that I like from the system. I actually just gave my shampoo and conditioner and the treatment, leave-in treatment, away to my friend just because it was just standing in my shower and I was not using any of that. But how did that happen? So I discovered the Blowout Professor's channel, and he has some amazing recommendations for people with thin hair. So I thought, well, I have thin wavy hair, but at least some of them I can apply to my hair, some of the recommendations. And he explained really well that for thin hair like mine and like some of yours, products that have a lot of oils in them and just products that weigh your hair down are not going to be good for the longevity of your hairstyle. And that's what I usually notice with my hair, because I usually would have, one or like I would wash my hair every other day, which is not great, especially if you dye your hair, especially if you're also use a lot of heat. I like to have my hair straight. Now I'm trying to embrace my curls more, but at that point I used to wear my hair, blow dry it a lot and stuff like that. So he recommended that you shouldn't be using that much heat on your hair, and you should extend your washes between the days between the washes, just because it's better for your hair that way. And so I decided to try out his recommendations, and he suggested to try out a product that is a volumizing shampoo, because it doesn't have any properties of, like, I don't know, moisturizing or whatever. It's just shampoo that is supposed to clean your hair. And so a volumizer shampoo is perfect for people with thin hair and who need he didn't say who needs volume, because he said the volume shampoos do not actually give you volume. They just clean your hair very well and do not weigh your strands down. So I decided to go ahead and get his system. So what he recommended is to get the volume injection shampoo and conditioner, and as you can see, it's been six months, and I actually took this with me to Ukraine. I poured it into a little container, and in 6 months you can see I still have some left in here. So that's how much this lasts me. And I wash my hair now, because of his recommendations, maybe twice a week, every third, fourth, sometimes fifth day, depending on my style. And I do have quite a lot of the conditioner left still, because I use a lot of hair masks instead of conditioners. Actually, I forgot to mention that prior buying this Redken product, because it is expensive, I wanted to test the Blowout Professor's theory about volumizing shampoo extending wash days. And I tried this, I think it was Aveeno shampoo for volume, and it did work. Even with a drugstore shampoo, it did work. So that is why I decided to then switch to this line, the volume injection line. I already had this Redken that he also suggested. This is a new bottle that I just purchased, but before I discovered his channel, I already had my Redken system acidic bonding concentrate system that I saw Abby Young recommend. So I bought everything and had this left over from that. I just finished it and bought another one. Definitely is a great product as well. And then the leave-in conditioner, I still have this much left and it's been about 6 months. I put about maybe 10 to 12 sprays into my hair with this. And then I had my Olaplex oil from a very long time ago, maybe 2 years it's been, and I still have some left, as you can see. But today something came in the mail and I'm so excited about it. It's the new Moroccan, well, new for me. It's Moroccan Oil Treatment Light, and I think this should be interesting to try out for my thin hair. But yeah, so all of these products I decided to purchase, and right away I could see a really big difference between, oh my gosh, the wind is crazy. Sorry, that's the wind, like blowing my door out. But right away I could notice the difference between using the Redken acidic bonding concentrate shampoo and conditioner versus this volumizing one, because I could definitely see that my hair was able to stay fresh for a longer time. To be honest, I don't think the Redken acidic bonding concentrate system is for me, and it's great for thin hair just because it does weigh down. Although it sounded like an amazing product because it would, restore my hair from all that bleaching that I did. So that is why I decided to give that system away and stick with this new routine that I'm using. And actually in my previous video, maybe one before today's or 2 videos ago, I said I don't think this is making any difference in my hair, or at least I cannot feel it. But to be honest with you, I think all of the products that I've been using are making a huge difference, because I rewatched my first and second video that I posted on this channel yesterday, and I could see how much different my hair is feeling now compared to then. Then it was so straw-like, and it was only so I dyed it in July or June. Like I got some highlights done in a just like a random salon in Poland, but since then I went back to Ukraine twice, and each time I got more highlights done and more stuff done to my hair. So consequently, it's supposed to be the opposite. Like my hair should be in a worse state, right? Because I dyed it 2 more times after that one first and second video. But instead, my hair is feeling better, and that is what I'm really excited about. And so another product that I did not mention is that I've been using interchangeably, I guess, this Redken Bonding Concentrate Intensive Treatment and then the K18, but I do not use them religiously. I use them, I don't know, maybe twice a month. The K18 I've been trying to use every wash for now, but just depends if I'm in a rush or not. And then I use the Amika, the Cure mask, and then also this little OUAI mask that came to me as a gift for my birthday. So yeah, I've been just using a lot of the products, I mean most of the products that the Blowout Professor recommended, and I just wanted to show you difference between what my hair was looking like then, the first and second video, and maybe I will put a clip down in here or a photo, something like that, and then what it's looking like now. So what I did is my 3rd day of hair, and I actually did not take it out of my bun, just so you can see what it's looking like after I just woke up. So I woke up, showered with my hair, this cap, and you can see it's like this. So I woke up, showered, and then sorry, someone called me and distracted me. But yeah, I had it in this bonnet and then in this clip. So I have not taken the clip out yet, and I've been walking like this just because I wanted to make this video. So the difference between that video, the first or the second, I don't remember which one it is completely. I think it's the second video, is that my hair was on the 4th day. Today it's on the 3rd day, and back then I blow dried it, and this time I just styled it with the BB Bumble Bumble Don't Blow It Fine Hair Styler and oil, hair oil. And I have not used any dry shampoo on my hair since I washed it. So as I'm saying, today's the third day. So let's just see the quality of the hair. And you can see how much better it is. Like, it's not like a straw. I mean, some of it maybe could be some straw-like, but still, like, it's looking, it's looking like crazy right now just because I just took it out. But do you see how it's not looking so oily? It's not, like, honestly, like, it looks great. And I'm shocked. Like, let me brush through it just because I like to do that. And then also I brushed it in my first video in that video as well. And you can see how, like, compared to that video and how frizzy it was in that video, like, do you see how, I mean, it's really thin, and I do have quite a lot of hair fall and hair breakage. But to be honest with you, it's amazing how much difference it has made using this system. Like, okay, do you see? Like, you can even see, like, it being shiny a little bit, and just manageability. And oh god, my hair's falling out. Just manageability in general. I mean, I still have split ends and all, but it doesn't look like in that first video. Like, okay, see? So as for the Blowout Professor's hair care routine, I believe it works, and it works wonders. It really helped me come to this day where my hair doesn't look so bad and so, I don't know, crunchy and just, you know, in a very bad state, because sometimes I would just want to, like, wake up and take my hair out and just chop it. I mean, of course I'm not gonna do that, and I do not like myself with short hair, so it was, you know, quite saddening for me having that type of hair that I had before. But all of these products that he has recommended really made a difference in my hair. I did have to take some hair vitamins for a while, but I don't think they made any difference, to be honest. And I haven't been taking them for 2 or 3 months now. And now I'm starting to see the differences in my hair. It's because I rigorously used the product that the professor recommended. And I think that is what has made the difference most. This wind is so scary. Anyway, thanks so much for staying tuned today, and for, again, for all your support. I do really appreciate it. It makes me smile every time I see a comment, every time I see a like. Means a lot, and thanks so much for your support, and I hope to see you soon again. Thank you.